Want to change your Google Meet background to hide the mess or try a cooler background? Here's a quick and easy way to do it. First, open Google Meet and join a meeting. Next, click on the three dots or more options located at the bottom right of the screen. From there, select Backgrounds and Effects. You can choose from pre-uploaded images available in Google Meet for a quick change or upload your own image. To do this, click on the Image button to upload your own background. Choose an image from your computer, making sure it's high resolution for the best quality. We've compiled funny backgrounds for Google Meet if that's your brand. Check out the link in the comment. Now, to remove any applied effects, go back to Backgrounds and Effects. Select Remove All to revert to your original background. Once you're satisfied with your background, think about installing a real-time transcription tool with AI workflows like Tactiq. It's free and incredibly easy to use. Learn more at tactiq.io for more Google Meet tips and tricks.